Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a Husqvarna 272 chainsaw, 72 cc's. This one features a 20-inch sprocket nose bar and chain. That's new Husqvarna bar with a 3/8 pitch, 0.050 gauge chain. Now we'll look at some of the features the saw has. Kill switch on the left, chokes on the right. Got an operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Hand protector and a foot pad right here. Works as a hand protector in the case of a chain throwing incident. Helps protect your hand. Foot pad, when starting the saw on the ground, you just put your foot in there. Gives you that little extra holding power to start this high compression engine. Working chain brake, wrap handlebar, and it's got the dual port. If you want to pull that handle back there and you can see the dual port on this. This is a real nice job. Front port and the back port. Makes this saw breathe a lot better and run a little better. Just a great old 272. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.